Hi, today we're going to talk about what is an API. APIs, or application programming interfaces, are sets of rules and protocols that enable different software applications to communicate and exchange data with each other. APIs act as intermediaries, allowing applications to interact and share information seamlessly. They provide a standardized way for developers to access specific functionalities or data from other applications or services. In the example below, you can see we have the client, in the middle we have the API, and then on the right we have the server. And that information basically is sent from the client to the server and back to the client. APIs are used extensively in modern software development, enabling integration between different systems, enhancing functionality, and promoting collaboration among applications. They allow developers to leverage existing functionalities without having to reinvent the wheel, saving time and effort in development. Let's look at an API example. Imagine you are on a luxurious vacation at a five-star hotel. You have seen a wide assortment of services and excursions which this hotel offers, but are not sure where to start. The front desk recommends that you start with the concierge. Your planned activities, in essence, are the request. You are the client. So when you meet with the concierge, you let him know that you want to dine at the rooftop restaurant, get a massage, and go swim with the dolphins. The concierge is the middleman, or the API. So the concierge is going to be familiar with all the options that the hotel has to offer and is going to listen to your request. The hotel services is the server, and they are going to be the ones that are going to provide these services, which is going to include a rooftop restaurant, a massage, and swimming with dolphins. In summary, APIs, or application programming interfaces, are sets of rules and protocols that enable different software applications to communicate and exchange data with each other.